What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Fada Gaming, aka Superman Gaming, aka Little Savage Man. And we back, yes, we back with another banger with my boy, Jackaia. Jackaia, say what's up? What's up? Alright, alright, let's go. We were training a little bit. What? No scope. Alright, 1 to 0. Oh my gosh. And I'm not mousing, I'm playing with keyboard. Imagine if I did have a mouse. Good kill. It's decent. That's quick scope. Wait. I thought we was doing only spammers only. I wasn't expecting. I mean, I think we should because like it's kind of not fair. Cause I like using snipers like only. It's fun to me. Oh yeah, no scope. Okay, what is it? 3 to 2, I think. 42. Wait, who's winning then? Now it's 4 to 3 because you just got to kill it. Now it's 4 to 4. Oh, do not kill me. I'm trying to do something real quick. Ah, frick. Alright, so that's alright. Will we count that? Like, can we say that's like a little training round? Oh, frick, my mic. Alright, so we're both decently good at Krunker. He plays it a lot more than me. I don't play it like that. Yeah, yeah. I'm about to put on a mod where like it gives me like a cool sniper. Hold on. So, mm, no, that's not it. Where'd it go? By the way, this is not sponsored by Krunker. We just like playing this game. Yeah. Alright, my mod is loading and it's done. Alright, before we start shooting to the war, I'm gonna show you my cool sniper. Look, alright, let's go over. Alright, we're gonna start when it hits. Oh god, we started now, alright. What could have hit that? Good shot, good shot. Bro, honestly, we should do like trick shots only, like zero gravity. I'm looking too old right now. Rick, I forgot how to crouch. I gotta change my crouch thing. I'm gonna change crouch to R. Oh, yeah, crouch is Okay. Alright. R. What am I supposed to do? You know what I should do? I should get my controller on you. Yeah, I should. I don't know I'm just probably gonna stick to keypad. If I had a mouse, I'd be clapping right now. Cause you gotta remember, I'm using keypad right now. Keypad. Oh my god. Alright, it's 6-0. I'm getting completely clapped. No, 7-0. I'm getting clapped. Alright, this is the first like real one. Real like 1v1. Cause that last one, I mean it was a tie, so we just did count it. Can I finally get a kill, please? Cause I was like going all of the opponent around, but now all of a sudden like I'm like, oh no, you suck. You're not getting any kills. Getting blown out. Last second kill? 1-7-0. He's gonna blow me out on my own channel like that? Okay. Still. Alright, it's cool. Yeah, but then I'm gonna lose subs. Alright, alright, you wanna do like best 2 out of 3, best 3 out of 5? I mean, like, oh, frick, I wasn't ready. Stop. Views, like, in total? Probably like a couple hundred. I don't know why. Um, you doing pistol only? But I'm gonna stick to sniper. Oh my. Yeah, I might switch to controller. Yeah, no, no, I'm gonna give it one more chance. I'm gonna give it one more chance. Uh, yeah, smacked right now. Can I get it? I'm getting destroyed. Oh, freak. There we go. Oh, quick scope. Mid air. Just quick scope. Alright, okay. So it's that 1 to 3? 1 to 4? Oh! Oh my god! That one. I said I'm gonna give keypad one more chance. It's like I will not disappoint. did you go? You like disappeared. What's the score right now? Like 5 to. It's either 5 or 4 to 2. After this, let's do chick shots. After this, cause I'm just like I'm getting clapped. We could do that. Last second kill. Oh, I almost hit that, bro. I did better last time. I got 7-0. All right. I'm tired of getting clapped. Mm. Probably because we're doing snipers only. My main weapon is shotgun and LMG. So yeah. All right. I'm gonna go to server browser. I'm gonna go to Frankfurt and then go to um and then go to CTF Littletown with 5 out of 8. 5 out of 8. CTF Littletown 5 out of 8. All right. Oh frick! I think my jam missed it. We might have to re-record. I don't think my audio is on. Is my? Oh no, my audio's on. Thank God. Whew, I got scared. Alright, I'm joining. I'm content. You said what? Yeah, in a little bit. Hold up. Freaking dumb internet. What's up with my internet, coach? Oh my God, I'm lagging so hard. I'm not even loading into the game. How because I have all these tabs. Technical difficulties, guys. Hold on. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, let me like close down some of these tabs. See if that helps. Alright, alright, alright. This happening. Connecting. Alright. Join. You said Frankfurt. So now it will be like 6. It would be 6 out of 8 right now. I don't see anything. Maybe it's 5. Did some people leave? Alright. Alright, I'm joining. Yep. Brief moment of technical difficulties. Oh frick, I only could record for like 45 more seconds. So when it hits like 4:45, I'm just doing my and the game is full. Alright, I think we gotta end it here. Alright guys, that's the end of the video, guys. If you like it, show some love, slice the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, help a brother out. If you wanna hear part 2, spam it down in the comments below. And I'll see y'all guys later. Peace.